To access the assessment, click on the MyMathLab link located in Blackboard and open in a new tab. Once you are directed to the MyMathLab homepage, select a specific unit. The units are located to the left of the screen. For this tutorial, we will select Unit 5. Next, click on the assessment link. If you have not received a 70% on the unit's homework, the MathLab will notify you and prompt you to complete the homework before accessing the assessment. Once you access the assessment, click on the I am ready to start button. You have one attempt to submit your assessment. However, you do not need to complete your assessment in one sitting. You may save your assessment at any time and reopen it. Do not select the Submit Test button until you have completed all of your problems. You will not be able to access the assessment once it is submitted. To save an assessment, simply complete the question you are working on and move to the next question. Next, select the X and X out of the window. You will be asked to confirm that you want to leave the page. Click Leave Page. Your answers will be saved and you can re-enter the assessment at a later date. To re-enter the assessment, click on the Unit 5 assessment link again. Click on the I am ready to start, and you will re-enter the test. As you can see, the answer that you previously put was saved. The assessment problems are similar to your homework problems. You will be asked multiple choice questions, fill in the blank questions, and short answer or show work questions. You are required to show your work for all short answer questions. Multiple choice and fill in the blank questions have a view an example and textbook option. These are located to the right of your screen. The View an Example learning aid provides you with a similar step-by-step example. You can view this example while completing your question. You can click on the textbook link to bring up the online textbook. Use the buttons on the top of the page to navigate from question to question. You can skip questions and come back to them later. As I mentioned earlier, each assessment has a short answer question. These questions are worth the most amount of points and require you to show each step of your work. This is an example of a show work question. Notice that we are given a question and an example. The example provides a step-by-step solution to a similar problem. Clicking on the link will open the example in a new window. You can reference the example as many times as you would like while completing the problem. To show your work, click on the Show Work button to the right of your screen. If you disabled your pop-up blocker, the Show Work window will automatically pop up as soon as you select one of the Show Work questions. Once you click the Show Work button, a window will appear. You may type in your answer, write your answer, or upload a picture of your work into the window. To type your work, click on the button with the uppercase A. This is the text box. Next, click anywhere on the screen. You can now begin typing in an equation, or you can use letters and write an explanation. Again, you must show each step of your work to receive maximum credit. The text box allows you to choose different font sizes or colors. You can also italicize or bold your work. If you wish to type in a symbol, you can click on the symbol button, which is a pi symbol. If you hover over the symbol, it will say math expression. Select the box and then click anywhere in the screen. A symbol text box will appear. In order to select a symbol, click the blue symbol box. To see more symbols to choose from, you can click the More button. You may select the fraction template if you wish to enter a fraction, or you may select any of the symbols. We'll select the fraction symbol. As you can see, a template of the fraction appears in my box. I can then type in a number to represent my numerator and a number to represent my denominator. Once you are done using the symbol box, you can X out and then select a different option. If you have a tablet and a stylus, or you wish to write your work using your mouse, you can choose the button showing a pencil. This is the Draw button. Select this button and use it to write your work. Your work must be legible and organized so your professor can clearly see how you are solving the problem. You may draw or write your work anywhere in the box. You can select the Erase button to erase what you have drawn. The Show Work window also allows you to upload a picture of your work. Before you upload your picture, make sure that your writing is clear and legible. Points may be deducted if your professor cannot see your work. Select the picture icon to upload your work. Once you select this icon, you will be directed to your computer's document folder in which you can select and upload your image. Note that only image files may be uploaded to the Show Work window. Click the Save button after you have completed the problem. Next, click Yes on the question screen to indicate that you have shown your work. Now you are ready to go to the next question. After you have completed all questions, you may submit your test. If you have not answered every question, a window will appear telling you that you have not completed your test. If you are ready to submit your test, click Yes. Once you submit, you will not be able to re-enter your test. After you submit, you will see a screen that shows you how you did on your assessment. You can review the test and go to your results. Your instructor will grade all answers to your show work questions and provide you with feedback. Please review the feedback before moving on to the next unit. This completes the tutorial on how to complete your assessments. Thank you for viewing.